is spinning. I can't hear. Just one more video. Only one more. Okay, that was funny. Now the next one. Midnight already? Time flies when it's fun. I'll sleep soon, after this one. Lola, go to bed on time. It's very late. I'm already sleeping, Mom. She's gone. Just 5 more minutes. My eyes are heavy. But the show is good. Okay. Last one. Lola, it's so late. You'll be tired tomorrow. Oh no, I'm late. Why didn't I wake up? I tried to wake you 3 times, sleepyhead. Shoe, sock, bag. Wait, wrong feet. Slow down. You put your shirt on backwards. Lola, do not skip breakfast. Sit and eat. No time, Mom. The bus is coming. Lola, wait. Take this sandwich with you. Thank you, Mia. You're the best sister. Chew properly. A tiny sandwich is not enough breakfast. Oops. Sorry, that was a big yawn. See? A late night makes a sleepy morning. The words are floating away. Wake up! The teacher is looking. My head feels heavy like a rock. That's what happens without enough sleep. Ow, my tummy hurts. And it's growling. One little sandwich wasn't enough. You need real food. You look pale, Lola. Are you okay? Just tired. I'll be fine. Really. Stay awake, Lola. You can do this. Your body is telling you something. Please listen to it. Lunchtime. Eat up. Your body needs food and sleep. I'm not hungry. I just want to sleep. But this morning your tummy was growling. I know. Now I'm too tired to eat. Whoa. Everything went blurry for a second. Careful. Sit down. You're really not okay. Drink slowly. Then try 3 small bites, okay? Okay, you worry too much, Mia. Tell a grown-up when you feel sick. Ask to rest. Maybe you're right. I do feel awful. Wait, the PE test is this afternoon. Oh no, that running test you can't miss? It's an important test. I can't stay home. I'll rest after the test. Just this once. I feel weak, but I have to try. Please be careful out there. Stop if it's too much.
Line up, everyone. Today is your running test.
The sun is so bright. My head is spinning.
Drink water when it is hot. Stay cool.
I forgot my bottle again. This is bad. She looks so pale. I have a bad feeling. Lola, you can stop any time. Please listen.
Ready? On your marks, get set.
Just run. Finish the test, then rest.
Go, go, go! Keep running, everyone!
My legs feel like heavy noodles. Everything is spinning. I can't hear. Stop! Somebody help her!
Everyone step back! Give her air!
Lola, wake up! Please wake up!
Get the nurse, quickly, and call her parents.
I'm here, Lola. I'm right here. Welcome back, Lola. You gave us a scare. Where am I? What happened to me? Small sips. Rest when your body is tired. The water feels so good. I feel a little better.
Oh, my baby. We came as fast as we could. I'm sorry, Mom. I made everyone worry.
Let's see why this happened. Did you sleep enough? No. I stayed up very, very late. And breakfast? Did you eat this morning? Only a tiny sandwich while running. Nothing else. No sleep, no food, no water, then running in the sun. Your body ran out of energy. That's why you fainted. One late night sounds small, but it tired your whole day. Now I understand. It all started last night.
You could tell me you felt sick. I would help. We can move a test. We can't replace your health.
I hid my tiredness. I just wanted to finish the test. I'm sorry I worried you and my teachers. I saw you were sick. I should have told an adult sooner. You helped me all day, Mia. Thank you.
We're not angry. We just want you healthy.
I want that too. I feel so silly now.
Go to bed on time. Do not skip breakfast.
And bring water. And tell a grown-up when I'm sick.
Let's go home. Today you rest, my dear.
A soft bed and a big breakfast sound perfect.
Good night, sweetie. Sleep gives your body energy.
Good night, Mom. No videos tonight, I promise. Yummy breakfast. I feel strong today. You slept early and packed your water. Great job.
Wonderful running, Lola. You look healthy and happy.
Sleep and food gave me the energy I needed. Did you sleep well last night? Did you eat breakfast today? Tell us below. Sleep and food keep your body strong.